In this video we are going to show you how to start using Growmessage.com. First off is to sign up for an account. Then log in with your credentials. You will then be redirected to the dashboard. Head over to Settings, then WhatsApp Cloud API Setup. Click on Connect WhatsApp with Facebook to start setting up your WhatsApp number. You will then be redirected to Meta. Follow the steps and in the form to finalize the connection. Now let's go over the features. You can grab your QR code or link in the sidebar to start sharing your number. In the dashboard section, you can monitor the number of contacts, how many messages sent, campaigns and templates created. The live chat feature allows you to read the replies, chat with your contacts as well as update the information and notes about the contact. In the contact section you can view all your leads, send messages and create new contacts. You can also add custom fields like location or offer name to help you segment leads. Contact groups allows you to separate leads into different categories. This is useful when you want to send only to a group of people. For adding bulk leads you can do so by importing using an Excel sheet. Select the Excel sheet that is in XLSX format and then click on Upload. Each message that you want to send to lead requires prior approval from Meta. In the Templates section you will find the list of templates that you have created. Now let us try creating a message template and submit it for approval. You can add an image, video, document or location as media attachment. Now let's fill in the caption or the message content that they will receive. You can also add buttons, links and responses to the message. Once done, click on Submit and it will go to Meta for approval. The Campaigns section allows you to start sending out approved templates to your leads. Let us try sending a campaign. Select the template from the list of approved messages. Add a title and select all contacts or the group you want to send the message to. Then click on Send Campaigns to start sending out the messages to your contacts. The campaign dashboard allows you to monitor the progress of the messages sent as well as download the report. Growmessage also features an auto-reply bot and flow builder to automate responses to help you in answering inquiries. Growmessage allows you to add team members and allocate responsibilities based on the permission you want them to handle. And finally, the AI automation feature, which allows you to connect to dynamic large language models to perform complex tasks, such as getting client information from CRM or information from a website, calculate and even connect to third-party applications. The API section includes instructions on how to connect and send automated messages using third-party apps. You can refer to the link in the description below for more information about how to use the API. This is the end of the tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips on how to maximize WhatsApp and automated chatbots.